In today's video, from Healthy, I'm going to show you how to make a bread so delicious that everyone will be asking for more. Have you ever thought about impressing your family without any complication? Then stay with me. Give this video a like right now and subscribe to Healthy to get access to amazing recipes that will turn your meals into special moments. Subscribe and receive exclusive tips to fill your kitchen with flavor and love. Watch until the end and discover how this bread will become the favorite in your home. This fluffy bread comes straight from Turkish tradition, passed down from generation to generation by grandmothers who knew the secret of perfect homemade bread. The best part is that, being homemade, it's much healthier. No artificial preservatives, no chemical additives, and no hidden sugars you often find in store-bought bread. It's pure natural ingredients that nourish both body and soul, helping you maintain a more balanced and fresh diet. Just imagine waking up with this aroma filling your home. It's like a warm hug to start the day. Now, let's go to the ingredients, which are super simple and accessible. 200 milliliters of warm water, 200 milliliters of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 8 grams of dry yeast, 3 tablespoons of wheat flour for the pre-ferment, 30 g of melted butter, 500 g of sifted wheat flour plus an additional 100 g, 1 teaspoon of salt, oil for greasing the bowl, 1 egg yolk and 30 to 40 milliliters of milk for brushing, and softened butter. For brushing the dough before rolling, let's get to the preparation, step by step. First, activating the yeast. In a bowl, mix the 200 milliliters of warm water, 200 milliliters of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 8 grams of dry yeast. Add the 3 tablespoons of wheat flour and mix well until smooth. Cover with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. You'll see bubbles forming, which means the yeast is alive and ready. After the yeast is activated, add the 30 grams of melted butter and mix. Sift the 500 grams of wheat flour and add it to the mixture along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix with a spatula, scrape the sides of the bowl, and sift in another 100 grams of flour. Now, mix by hand and start kneading until the dough is soft and elastic. This takes about 8 to 10 minutes, but it's worth it for fluffy bread. Shape it into a ball. Grease a bowl with oil. Place the dough inside, cover with plastic wrap and a kitchen towel, and let it rest for 1 hour in a warm place. After an hour, sprinkle the table with flour and gently open the dough with your hands. Brush the surface with softened butter to add even more flavor and softness. Roll the dough into a long log. Make several small cuts with a pizza cutter, and roll again, sealing the edges well. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. For the second proofing, line 2 pans with parchment paper lightly moistened with cold water. This helps prevent the dough from sticking. Place each part of the dough in the pans, cover with a kitchen towel, and let rest for 20 minutes so it rises a little more. Now, the finishing touch. Beat 1 egg yolk with 30 to 40 milliliters of milk and brush over the breads so they turn golden and shiny. Trim the excess parchment paper from the pan and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes until beautifully golden. Remove from the oven, let cool slightly, and serve warm. Here are some extra tips. To store, wrap in a clean cloth and keep at room temperature for up to 2 days, or slice and freeze to last longer. And to make your meals more complete, try pairings that balance nutrients. Serve with white cheese and fresh tomato for a dose of protein and vitamins, or with avocado and scrambled eggs, adding healthy fats and fiber. Or even a slice of this bread toasted with fried or scrambled eggs, bringing protein and energy for the day. Or with natural yogurt and fruits like strawberry or banana, for a breakfast rich in probiotics and antioxidants. That way, your homemade bread becomes a nutritious and balanced meal. How many times have you tried to lose weight and ended up giving up because it was too hard, tasteless, and full of restrictions? It doesn't have to be that way. Check out the exclusive material I left here in the description. It has easy, delicious, and healthy recipes that will really help you lose weight without suffering. So, what did you think of this recipe? Tell me in the comments if you're going to make this bread. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy, healthy, and love-filled recipes that will transform your kitchen routine. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.